Skin cleansing glow powder. So let's find out the recipe. You need 1/4 cup of ragi flour, 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth, 2 teaspoons of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder, 2 pinches of white turmeric powder. Now the link to all these products I'll share in the description box below. Mix well and store in a clean empty jar, or you could use this kind of spice bottle. It makes your job easier. Just wet your face completely. Take a little amount of this powder on your palm and apply it all over your face. Wet your fingers and gently exfoliate for 30 seconds. If needed, you can use more water to scrub. Rinse off with cool water and pat dry. Use your favorite facial oil or moisturizer. It deep cleanses your pores, removes the leftover dirt and makeup, instantly brightens your skin tone, tightens your pores, completely revitalizes and uplifts the skin texture.